Is that reels or reels or what's it called? How long was she sitting there?
Sorry?
How
Oh, no, we're you started a short time ago.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah.
Careful now, guys.
Just took a while to get her right spot.
Okay.
About 5 or 6 times now we move up and down here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Just make what's that? My daughter loves to paint as well. Yeah. I think she needs that stand. That kind of stand. Yeah, it is. Melanie, you need that kind of stand, look. Yeah. Yeah. That must be expensive. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Yeah, true. Yeah. Is it? Expensive enough. Well, it's durable and you can use it a lifetime, isn't it? Now, this is Lough Gur. What's your name? Olivia. Where are you from, Olivia? Oh, yeah. Did you? Okay. Yeah. Sure. Of course. Got a friend as well who's an artist. Her name is Kate Osborne. And she painted a family. Oh, yeah, for us and with the house, the background. And yeah, she just asked for a photo from us and she made a big, canvas. So, yeah, in memory. Is that okay? I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I've earned a little though. Yeah. And I'm using my daughter as well. When she's painting, I just take, yeah. She nearly there. You're nearly there. Yeah, it's lovely. Oh. Oh, you keep changing brushes, do you? Hundreds of brushes. Ah, yeah. I've got content.